Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First, we need to open the Huawei Health app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Devices right here at the bottom. Select our HUAWEI Watch 3. Now tap on this icon right here, More Options icon. Select Unpair Device. Then tap on Unpair to confirm. The device will disappear from the list of devices right here in the device menu. And as you can see, now our watch is unpaired from our phone. You can also tell it by opening the quick panel, and next to the battery icon there is a Bluetooth icon, and if it's crossed, that means that the watch is disconnected from the phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.